Are you thinking that event draping is a bit, well, overdone and saturated? Guys, backdrops, ceilings, perimeter draping, it seems like everyone is doing it. But hold on, the misconception that event draping is a saturated market is a common one. And in fact, this industry is experiencing a major resurgence, and there's more than enough room for everyone to thrive. Keep watching to find out how you can too. Hey Tribe, welcome to another episode of Raising the Bar, which is the #1 event draping podcast on the internet. And as always, I'm your fabulous host, Precious Stevens, aka the Draping Queen, and I'm bringing you the ins and the outs of the draping world. Now, here at the Posh Academy, guys, we only believe in dropping gems. So in every episode, we discuss the secrets, the challenges, and the untold stories of event draping. So let's dive in. Now, today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of fabric, transformation, and a surprising amount of physicality, which is all about event draping. Now, sure, event draping has been around for ages, but recently, guys, there has been a surge in awareness of how much it can actually transform any kind of space in a dynamic way. Now, people are realizing that drapes are way more than a fun way to hide ugly walls, y'all. They're a design element that tells quite a story. You actually can create any story that you want, as well as control the mood in any room with your creative design, guys. Yeah, sis, relax a bit. You have all the power when it comes to draping. First thing, I want you to think about your last experience at a wedding that had draping, right? Did you see any draping? And did you notice how simple a room can be changed completely with the right fabric choices and draping techniques? You can create a romantic atmosphere, something more modern and sleek for backdrops, and just about anything you want, guys. You can even create a whimsical fairy tale setting, right? The possibilities are absolutely endless. Now, while many designers love the luxe wedding niche, I get it. But did you know that there are several other niches within the draping niche itself? Well, there is. And this is why you need to stick with the Posh Academy, because we can keep you in the loop of what's happening in these draping streets, guys. My fave, however, is the celebratory events, such as the theme parties. I really love the creativity behind it. The thing with the celebratory events, guys, you can create any kind of event, any kind of color. This is where you are actually able to put different patterns and textures. And if you guys see a lot of the draping that I do, this is where I thrive. I love being able to take a concept and just do almost anything I want to do, right? The clients will tell me the vision, and I go and get different aesthetics. I go and get different embellishments, and I really just bring their world to fruition, right? This is the part I love. Although I know a lot of you guys are going to tell me you love luxe weddings because, for one, that's where you are making a pretty coin, and it's really luxurious and it's high and cathedral ceilings, and I get it. But I really want to know, you guys are watching this video, tell me down in the comments, what is your favorite niche? And if you didn't know that there were different niches, keep watching this video. Next, guys, I want you to think about other opportunities that draping actually provide. It's not just weddings, guys. Think about the corporate events. You got the product launches. You got the trade shows. Draping is everywhere. The demand for creative draping solutions is skyrocketing across the event space, right? Event planners are realizing the impact that it has on branding, guest appearances, and overall, the whole aesthetics, right? Now, not to mention, guys, if you notice on our next tour, we've even taken it up a notch. We are putting all kind of aesthetics and different branding elements into our tour as well, because that is the thing that really sets the tone for the event. And that is an easy way for you to take things up to the next level and just make things visually appealing and have your aesthetics on point. Now, some might still think that there are already tons of draping providers out there, but here's the secret, guys. The market is vast and it's untapped. A lot of people think it's saturated, but it's not. There is space for everyone. Everybody from seasoned veterans to passionate newcomers with fresh ideas, right? That is the fun part. So I don't want you guys to get discouraged because there is space for you too. Why do I say this though? Because guys, customization is everything. Every event is unique, guys, and clients are looking for designers who can translate their vision into reality. Let's face it, sometimes I'm sure a lot of you get a bizarre request or you may get an out of this world idea, right? But this is where your creativity and your expertise come in. Whether you specialize in luxurious fabrics, innovative draping techniques, or a different approach, your unique niche can be key to your success. So stand out, sis, stretch your stuff, and stop hiding in plain sight. Finally, I want you to think about how you can contribute to the industry. There's always the opportunity to really educate the market. Many clients might not even know the full potential of what event draping can actually offer. And here is where your marketing skills come in, right? You need to showcase your work and show the world what you can do. I want you to create educational content that's going to help others understand the creativity behind it. Also partner with a fellow vendor, right? This is an easy way to spread the word about the magic of draping. You guys really got to do your part and help us get the attention that we deserve. Draping deserves to be more than just falling under the other category. We are rock stars and we set the tone for any event. The bottom line, guys, is that the event draping industry is booming. It's not busting, no matter what you think. With creativity, dedication, and a focus on your unique niche, you can carve out your own lane in this exciting and untapped market. Now, if you found this video to be helpful, then show your girl some love and drop a like and subscribe to the best draping podcast on the internet. Now, you know I love to keep the conversation going, right? So let me know in the comments, how long have you been draping? But don't forget to tell me your name and your city. I love knowing where you guys are from, and not to mention, it helps me determine my draping tours. Speaking of which, guys, I may be coming to a city near you. So I want you to click the link below in the description to check out our current tour schedule. This is the only draping masterclass you need if you're struggling with skills, pricing, or marketing your draping business. And look, it's time to level up. So check it out by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Come back next week at the same time in the same place, because I'm sharing with you how to level up your draping game and take it to that next phase you're trying to get to. As always, keep hustling and raising the bar. I'm Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, signing off.